Hello guys, welcome to my channel for another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp number. Before starting, you need to put your new SIM card into the phone first, then follow the following steps. Open your WhatsApp and click on three dots, then click on settings, and here you have to click on account. From this page, click on change number. You will see that here the migration remind. Read it carefully and then click on next. Enter your old number here and the new one here. Then tap on next. Here turn on the notify contacts and from here select anyone you prefer. Then tap on done. Here click on OK. Then tap on next. You are done. Let's check it out. As you can see, we changed our number successfully. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.